Hi, I'm Steve with Indian Creek Sports, and today I'm here to show you a boat, especially if you don't know if you want to do a fishing boat or a pontoon boat. Well, I've got the one for you that will cover both of them. It's got the Suzuki 4-stroke motor on it. It's a 20-foot, and this is what we call the fishing model on how it's set up. And as you can see, this is the interior of it. We have 4 chairs, 2 captain chairs, 2 fishing chairs. The fishing chairs have a live well here, and over here on this side we actually have another cooler slash live well, but it's not aerated. You come back, you got the captain chair, so someone can be sitting next to the captain as you're going down the lake. It's got the Cool Touch fabric for all of the interior, adult beverage or cups for you, cup holders. The carpeting is a Cool Touch carpeting also. And as you can see, there's plenty of room for entertaining, and it's the right size to be able to fish in and do your entertaining with the L lounge chairs. I'd really like to see you come down and take a look at this boat. We've got it on sale right now. It's about 15–20% off from what we've ever had it, and it's $39,999. So please come down, take a look at it. I'd like to send this boat home with you.